Hi, in this video I'm gonna give you a quick tip how to remove a surface rust from your aluminum wheels. So as you can see here, we have some surface rust. It's not mud, it's actually rust. I had bad brakes on this wheel, and that's how that surface rust accumulated right there. So you can remove that in few seconds by using fine grade steel wool. So I'm gonna show you. This is the spot I already cleaned up. I'm gonna show you. Just needs to be dry. Don't put water on it, just dry as it is. Look at that. Now even here, when it's a little bit more rust, you can still go and press it a little bit harder. So yeah, use a fine grade steel wool and you can get rid of your surface rust on aluminum wheels. Thanks for watching.